Hello. In this video I will show you how to use Modbus Configuration Tool for Daviteq Sigfox sensor. First, you need to download two files as shown on screen from the instruction page. Link is in description. Extract the file. Run the application file. Select the COM port to which the configuration cable connects to the PC. Click File, Import File, then select the template corresponding to the sensor you are configuring to import. Connect the configuration cable to the Sigfox sensor, then press Connect. The reading value column will display the values read from the Sigfox sensor. And the setting value column is where we will write the configuration value to the sensor. Here you can see the value of the Sigfox sensor as shown in the reading value column. For example, device ID, device PAC, and so on. For example, I will change the radio configuration of the Sigfox sensor from RC1 to RC4. We will use functions 3 and 16 to configure the sensor's parameters. Function 3 is to read holding registers and function 16 is to preset multiple registers. Uncheck the box to stop reading the value and then select function 16. Here I will write in the setting value column the new value is 4, corresponding to RC4. Then check the box to write the new RC value to the sensor. When the RC value in the reading value column displays OK, it means that the new RC value has been successfully written to the sensor. Now switch to function 3 to read the value you just wrote, then check the box to run the function. As you can see, the software shows the timeout because it's been more than 60 seconds since the sensor was powered on. We can only configure for the first 60 seconds after powering the sensor. All we have to do now is disconnect the configuration cable from the sensor. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. Then reconnect the configuration cable to the sensor. As you can see, the current RC value becomes 4, corresponding to RC4. Now I will try to change cycle send data from 1 hour to 15 minutes. Uncheck the box to stop reading the value and then select function 16. After that, write in the setting value column the new cycle send data value is 900, which corresponds to 900 seconds. Then check the box to write the new cycle send data value to the sensor. Now switch to function 3 to read the value you just wrote, then check the box to run the function. The cycle send data value is now changed to 900, which corresponds to 900 seconds. Follow the same steps to write other values to the sensor. Thank you for watching.